SciENcv is a free profile service that is part of MyNCBI, offered by the National Institutes of Health. This video focuses on special features in SciENcv that help you quickly create and maintain NSF-approved biographical sketches, which must be used for proposal submission. Complete details about NSF Biographical Sketch requirements are available in the NSF Proposal and Award Policies and Procedures Guide. Let's get started on the SciENcv homepage. Click the NSF login icon to sign into your account. If you do not already have a linked NSF account, you will be taken to this page at research.gov to verify your credentials. At this point, you can either create an NCBI account or link an existing NCBI account. Additional information on linking accounts, such as from ORCID to NCBI, can be found in the MyNCBI help documentation on our bookshelf, in the section called Signing In Using a MyNCBI Username and Password. I'm now logged into a mock account and am on the SciENcv main page. If you have more than one document, you will see a list here. The first time you log into SciENcv using this method, you will instead see this Create a New Document page. Give the document a name, select the format, and select Start with a blank document, or you could use an existing document. Then click Create. I'll just cancel and go to my example document. This first section provides a brief summary of the NSF Biographical Sketch, and a link to the complete proposal preparation instructions. Scrolling down the page, you have several sections: Identifying Information, Organization, and Location, Professional Preparation, Appointments and Positions, Products, Certification, and Privacy Act and Burden Statement. I'll go back to the Professional Preparation section and click Add. You'll see several required fields marked by a red asterisk, including Organization, City, Country, and State, Degree, Field of Study, and the start and end dates. To close the form, either click Save, Save and add another entry, or Cancel. Next is Appointments and Positions. I'll click Add Appointment/Position. This form has a checkbox to indicate if it is your primary appointment or position, and has the following required fields: appointment or position title, name of organization, city, country, and state, start date, and if applicable, the end date. Notice that you can delete and edit existing information. The Product section is linked to your My Bibliography collection. To add citations from PubMed, click on Select Related Products and then Add Product. If your ORCID account is linked to MyNCBI, ORCID citations will sync in this section. In accordance with the NSF Proposal and Award Policies and Procedures Guide, we have implemented an option in SciENcv to reduce the number of authors displayed when your NCBI account is linked to ORCID. Click the Edit Authors link for the citation that you want to amend, and an Edit Authors window opens where you can amend the list and add et al. In lieu of having the complete list of author names. Your edited citation will display above the original citation, and you can remove the edited version if desired. Next is Certification. If you want to review a draft PDF prior to certification, use the View Draft link next to the Download PDF button, and that button is also located at the top of the page. Click on Download PDF and agree to the certification. This PDF must be used in proposal submissions to NSF via research.gov or grants.gov. At the bottom of the document is the Privacy Act and Burden Statement for your review. Finally, just a reminder that anyone with a MyNCBI account can create Biosketch profiles. You get to this settings page by following your MyNCBI username link at the top of the page. In addition, you can assign delegates to manage your profiles. Note that you can assign delegates independently for SciENcv and for My Bibliography. We welcome feedback on SciENcv. For NSF technical questions, please contact the NSF IT Service Desk. Send emails to rgov@nsf.gov or call 800-381-1532. The Help Desk is available 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, except for federal holidays. For SciENcv technical questions and issues, please email the NCBI Help Desk at nlm.sciEncv. That's nlm.sciEncv at mail.nih.gov. Policy-related questions should be directed to policy@nsf.gov.